JPG compression with example. JPG, Joint Photographic Experts Group, is a commonly used image compression format in computer graphics. The JPG compression algorithm works by dividing an image into small 8x8 pixel blocks and then transforming each block using a mathematical transformation called the discrete cosine transform, DCT. The DCT coefficients are then quantized and encoded using a lossless compression algorithm, such as Huffman coding, to further reduce the size of the image data. Here is an example of how the JPG compression algorithm works in computer graphics. Divide the image into 8x8 blocks. The image is divided into small 8x8 pixel blocks. This allows the compression algorithm to work with small, manageable chunks of data. Apply the DCT. The DCT is applied to each 8x8 block. The DCT transforms the image data from the spatial domain, where each pixel represents a specific location in the image, to the frequency domain, where each coefficient represents a specific frequency component of the image. Quantize the DCT coefficients. The DCT coefficients are then quantized using a quantization matrix. Quantization reduces the number of bits required to represent each coefficient, which results in a reduction in the size of the image data. Encode the quantized coefficients. The quantized coefficients are then encoded using a lossless compression algorithm, such as Huffman coding, to further reduce the size of the image data. The result of the JPG compression algorithm is a compressed image that uses less data to represent the same image content, while still maintaining a reasonable level of quality. The amount of compression achieved by the JPG compression algorithm depends on the quality setting used during the compression process, with higher quality settings resulting in less compression and lower quality settings resulting in more compression. In computer graphics, JPG compression is commonly used for digital photographs and other types of continuous tone images, as it provides a good balance between image quality and file size. However, it is not as effective for images with sharp transitions and large areas of flat color, as the quantization process can result in noticeable degradation of image quality in these areas. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.